Good Monday morning, everybody. We're going to take a look at the next week in weather and focus on what's going on right now. You can see a very warm storm is upon us. So right now we have rain that's going to be through the region throughout the day, ending off later this evening, coming in waves. And we are on the warm side of this storm. So the low pressure center is actually just out down here. So it brings in all the warm air from the southwest right and southeast right up into our area. Of course, on the western side is snow. This pulls out later tonight, like I said, and then we have a very, very, very cold air mass building in for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even Saturday. I mean, high temperatures on Wednesday for most areas probably won't even break 30 in some spots, and other spots will be into mid to lower 30s. So very, very impressive cold air. Second question is, where's the snow? And I'm still keeping my eye on Friday for some sort of a little bit of a light snow event mainly. Yesterday I thought things were maybe going a little bit more my direction, but right now nothing's on the models. We just have a bunch of cold air, high pressure and control through the rest of the week. And then as we head into early next week, an inland storm is going to develop early Thanksgiving week, and it's going to give this whole area in here precipitation, give us a little bit of rain. You can see the storm actually developing right here. And then we're in the longer term period. Now let's take a look at what's going to happen later this week. Now, what was I looking at before? Well, I saw there's the opportunity here, for 3 disturbances that might combine, but that's not going to happen. And the reason it's not going to happen is, one, blocking's not strong enough, and two, there's a storm here in the Pacific that's kind of coming ashore and speeding everything up here. So what might still happen though, as we get to Friday, is this little piece right here could dig a little bit more, and we could have a little bit of a light snow event on Friday for some areas. So I'm keeping an eye on this. I'm not ready to write this part off yet, but there's not going to be any moderate storm or anything like that, so I can tell you that at this point. But we'll keep an eye on this little piece and see if on Friday we can get a little bit of light snow, similar to what we had last Thursday night, which is pretty cool. Here are the temperatures. So this is today. Let's take a look at tomorrow's high temperatures. Again, not too warm, not too cold, but cold. 41 degrees, 38 degrees. Look at this when we head into Tuesday afternoon. Look at the temperatures here. So this is Tuesday at 1 o'clock, 28, 24, 22, 20. We then go to Wednesday. We have temperatures in the 20s and 30s again. We go to Thursday. Again, temperatures in the mid to high 30s. Then we go to Friday. Temperatures in the mid to high 30s. And then Saturday, things are still not letting up. And finally, by the time we get to Sunday, temperatures warm up because that storm system developing to our west. And here's the overall weather pattern. You can see all the cold being caused by this vortex-like feature here. This then lifts out as our storms in the center of the country forms. And then in the longer term, heading into end of Thanksgiving week and beyond, I still think we have a colder than normal pattern locked in. I don't think things are going to warm up too much, contrary to what other people are saying. And we'll have to keep an eye out for our first big storm. I mean, the pattern's there. It's just not easy to get a big storm. Everything has to fall together perfectly. But the way this whole winter should go, we're going to get at least 2 of them, I think. And that was in the prediction. So be patient. I'll keep you updated, and we'll see how the week evolves.